In the world of string lights, there are many different options to choose from. We're going to go over two of our most popular string light, the C6 bulb and the 5mm mini light. What makes them different, and which one is the right choice for you? Let's start with the similarities. Both our C6 string lights and our 5mm mini lights are rated IP54 and use coaxial connections to prevent moisture from entering the unit. While the individual bulbs are not replaceable, their rugged sealed construction means that you won't run into problems with corrosion and single bulbs going out. Our C6 string lights come in a variety of solid colors. The faceted bulb creates a diffused, soft, and sparkling effect, making these lights perfect for the delicate features of your home, like shrubs and other small greenery. A more modern take on string lights, the 5mm mini light has a small inverted conical lens that refracts light to create an incandescent-like glow. Similar to the C6 lights, they're perfect for shrubs and small evergreens. But where they really shine is when used to wrap the trunk and branches of trees. Our mini lights come in a wide selection of solid colors and fun multicolor sets to match the occasion. Our twinkling mini lights will add a bit of captivation to any display. We hope this video helped you decide which string light is right for you.